Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Mr. Fun Computer from Incredibox. So let's get started. To draw this cute computer sprunky, let's first start by drawing the rim of our hat. So I'm going to start right here with draw a big curve. So let's go here and then I'm going to go up. So go up with your curve and we're going to end up a little bit higher. So let's say about right here. We don't go all the way down. We just want to end up a little bit higher. And now that we have this big curve in, we're going to come in and split it in two. So this side is going to be a little bit longer. We're just going to come in with one curve. And then we're going to go up and connect. So this is the rim of our hat. Then from there, let's see here, we're going to come out, just bring a line out, straight line out, and then we're just going to curve down. And then let's come about right here, and we're just going to start to draw a straight line down. So this is going to be the beginning of our computer screen. So I'm just going to bring this down and kind of drawing a rounded off square, I guess. So just keep bringing it down to say about right there. And then we can round it off. And same thing here, just round it off and connect all the way across. There. So now that we have that, let's come inside and we're just going to give our computer an edge, the screen. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to curve and then go down. And I'm just going to follow whatever I drew all the way around. And on this side, so just imagine this is kind of coming through, you're going to see a little bit of this part right here. And come down just like the other side. There. Okay, so we have our screen in, and then let's go up and draw and finish the hat. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to start kind of like maybe on the close to that edge of the screen, and we're going to end about right here. We're going to go up with a big curve for the dome of our hat. So let's go up, say about this high, and I'm just going to bring it down. There. Then we're going to find the center of this hat. So let's say about right here. And we're going to split it. So come down with one curve and then another one on this side. And then at the top right here, we need to draw the little spin thingy. The spin, I'm not sure what you call it. So we're going to come up here and just draw this little rectangle in the center. And then come right here. We're just going to draw a line. And this is where we're going to, I guess, come out and draw a triangle. So this is the part that spins, right? Like a wheel, pinwheel. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come down. So find the center of your computer. So about right here. And I'm going to go to the left, go to the right. So let's say about right there. And I'm just going to give it a little neck. Right about there. Then we're going to connect it at the bottom with a line right underneath for our base. So I just want to try my best to center it. So a little bit more. And then from there we're going to come out at an angle on both sides and connect once again. Okay, so then now let's go back in and bring this computer to life. So let's say in this area, I'm going to go ahead about right here. I'll just start and draw myself a circle for one eye. And I'm going to come across about right here and draw another circle. There. And then in between, let's come about right here And I'm just going to draw a straight line, and I'm going to create a rectangle. So I'm going to find my center, come down to about right there, and then just connect it. There. And then there's this blush part, but it's like a zigzag. So I am going to try my best here. I'm going to come about right here because I have to kind of do this the opposite way because I need to give it an outline. And it's very thin. So same thing over here. So hopefully it will work. There. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and quickly shade this all in black so you can see a little bit better. So bear with me here. So thank you for all the love you've given me for all of the Sprunkies I've drawn from Incredibox. Definitely let me know in the comments below what other ones you want me to draw. There's like so many. So hopefully you like that I'm continuing to draw these for you. Okay, so now I'm going to get right here, shade this part in. There, finally all done. So then from there, if that's pretty much it for the computer part. If you want to draw a desk, let's come about right here, and we're going to go ahead and draw a line. So let's say about right here, and I'm going to go a little bit above this line right here. And we're going to go across about right there and come out. And so then from there, bring it down. We're just going to draw a rectangle for our table. Make it a little bit thicker, so about right there. Go ahead and connect it. There. And then we have some legs, so let's come in about right here and draw some table legs. And connect. So I don't have too much vertical space. I'm just going to end it about there. And so same thing on the other side, about right here. It's always harder for me to draw vertical lines because it's harder for me to see if it's straight. So about right there. You look at my computer. I mean my camera, not computer. Okay, so about right there, and then across. Then, if you like, you can also draw the wire. So about right here, I'm just gonna wobble a curve and come down to the same height as our legs. And thicken it up and connect. And since I'm here, might as well just color this in real quick. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Mr. Fun Computer from Incredibox. I really hope you loved this drawing that helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.